Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, loaded with features. Features also include leather seats, rear view camera, leather interior group, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. You are going to love the 2014 Civic, Honda Civic. Practical, awesome gas mileage, and incredibly reliable. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, headlights auto off, mirror memory, remote trunk release, FWD. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.